Hi there! Welcome to this quick introduction to Google Slides. I'm going to cover what Google Slides is, how to access it, how to format and organize slides, how to insert media, how to use the comments and notes section, and how to share and export your slideshow. Google Slides is an easy-to-use presentation program that is part of the Google-based Office suite that includes programs like Google Sheets, Docs, and Drive. You have access to it if you have a Google account. You can think of it as an online collaborative version of PowerPoint. You can make a slideshow with professional layouts and lots of creative and useful features. To access Google Slides, you can go to your one.sjsu Spartan app portal and click on the My Email G Suite tile. You can also access slides while you are in any of the Google Office programs if you are familiar with that way of navigating through Google products. You can click on the menu on the top right to pull up slides. You can then select to start a new set of slides, or you can find others that have been shared with you or ones that you've created. I'm going to access one that I've already been working on. In fact, it's the slideshow that I'm showing you now. Here's our first example slide. So we're going to play around with the design of it a little bit. We're going to change this background. There are tiles up here on the upper left menu. You can go to background up here, or you can go to slide in the drop-down menu and change the background. Here you can choose new colors, or you can choose images from your computer or on the web. Really easy. And then say we just didn't like this layout, we wanted to change the layout. The same option here up here on the right. You can go to apply layout, or you can go to slide and change layout, and you can change your slide to a new fancy layout that sometimes doesn't work with the text that you have. So you just move your text boxes around and figure out what looks best, figure out where it works for you. It's really easy to move everything and to reorganize all of your text here. Another easy thing that you can do is if your slides are out of order and you needed to reorganize them, you can just move them over here. You can see that I'm just moving them around. Really easy. And then if we wanted to insert media, say a video or an image, you go up to that same menu, the drop-down menu, go to Insert, and there's a bunch of options here for you. We're going to upload an image from the web. We're going to choose cat, which I have chosen here, and we're going to put this handsome guy on our slide. It's a big photo, so we're going to size it and then just move it around. So really easy. And here we're going to learn how to use comments and notes. So one of the greatest things about slides is the collaboration. So when you're collaborating with a fellow teammate and you guys want to talk about, hey, maybe I want to change this font here, but you're not doing it at the same time. So you want to leave a note for yourself or for your teammate. You can select the thing that you're interested in leaving a comment on and go up to your comment box here on the right, add a comment. Let's say change font, and then leave that there. And then you can have that there for yourself maybe next time you open up your slideshow, or to remind yourself that you were thinking of changing that. Or you can leave notes for your teammates. You guys can chat in these little boxes here, and then once that issue is fixed, then you can resolve it and make that disappear. Then you can utilize this note section down here to add speaking notes or bullet points for things that you want to say, or reminders, or just some brainstorming. It's a nice place, and you can move this up so you can see your speaking notes there. And then when you want to go to share your slideshow, if you want to collaborate with that teammate, like I said, you go up to the share option. You can share them this link, or you can put their names and their email addresses here, and then just make sure that this little check box is on Can Edit. And then to export your slides, so you need to turn it into your professor, you can go up to File, and then Download, and then you have all of these options for what you can do, including PDF. So there's a ton of options on Google Slides. I highly recommend clicking around and messing with it. It's a really great way to access your slideshow at any computer. So you don't have to put your slideshow on a flash drive and carry it with you. You can just have it ready for you to work on wherever you are. So yeah, I really highly recommend it. So hopefully you know how to access it now, how to format and organize your slides, how to insert media, and how to use those comments and notes section, and also how to share and export. Thanks very much.